former governor of Bayelsa State, distinguished Senator Obi, representing the Vice President Atiku, and other distinguished senators present, honorable ministers, and honorable members of the National and State Assembly here present, Your Excellency, the Deputy High Commissioner, British Embassy, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen, and students here present. I'm delighted to be in your midst this day as we join hands to unveil the commendable effort by the Sun Publishing Limited, publishers of Daily Sun, Sunday Sun, Saturday Sun, and Sporting Sun, to engrave in indelible form the rich heritage of our dear country, Nigeria. I thank the organizers of this historic event, the Sun Publishing Company and its partners, Bridgehead Communications, and Compact Communications, for inviting me to serve as the chairman of this occasion. A few days from today, our country will be celebrating its 63rd independence anniversary. It has been 63 years of continuous efforts at making the country better and for us as a nation to achieve our full potential. We have seen the good, we have seen the bad, we have seen the ugly, and we hope for the best in the future. Nigeria is no doubt going through some challenges. No matter what you think or say, this prevailing atmosphere of faltering steps, great anxiety, and recriminations is not peculiar to Nigeria. It is a global phenomenon. The good news is that we have all it takes to surmount our challenges and press forward for a better Nigeria. To make this happen, all hands must be on deck to change our trajectory and make it possible for Nigeria to have its right place in the Committee of Nations. A necessary step for the much-desired progress is to examine how the past was charted. This is where the book we are unveiling today, The Making of Modern Nigeria, from pre-colonial era till date, becomes auspicious. We know about Nigeria. We have invaluable insights to understanding the present-day challenges and the way out of the quagmire. Doing so sanctly reminds us of the exhortation of the great Chinese philosopher Confucius, in quote, "Study the past if you must define the present," unquote. Knowing Nigeria's rich past and its present will serve as a springboard for us to work for the realization of a Nigeria of our collective aspiration and dreams in the no distant future. I believe that Nigeria of our dream is possible when we contribute our quota with every sense of patriotism and nationalism. It is commendable that this book is dedicated to, in quote, Nigeria's founding fathers and those who believe that some good will still come out of the country, unquote. Our generation, I'm glad to say, has played its part for the making of a modern Nigeria. The future belongs to the rising generation. It is, therefore, for today's and future generations to play their roles for making this Exposonic Nigeria. Every effort at chronicling Nigeria's past is in itself a tour de force of what was, what is, and what can be. Nigeria was a notable beacon of hope for the Black race in the pre-independence era. Its achievement of independence in October 1st, 1960, was both inspirational and reassuring for a host of African countries and indeed a larger global community. Post-independence Nigeria has continued to struggle for enduring success in an increasingly complex and competitive world. It behoves on each and every one of us as Nigerians and friends of Nigeria to join hands in making Nigeria a better and greater nation. This we can do by ensuring peace reigns in our country, being each other's keeper. We should also support our security agencies in whatever way we can. The Sun Publishing Company, by this book that we are here to unveil, has played its own part creditably. It is left for us here and those not here to not only acquire the book, but also read it. This they can do in order to understand Nigeria and Nigerians. I have no hesitation whatsoever in commending this book to you. Ladies and gentlemen, Excellencies, distinguished, thank you for your attention. God bless Nigeria, and may peace reign in our country.